I have no idea if this can be heard, but the lake, this is the first day I'm hearing the lake sound off its special song as it freezes. It's so faint. Doo. It's going doo. This will last for a few weeks as the lake hardens. It scared me one day. I hear it was last year, maybe January. It cracked. You could hear it cracking. You can only hear the doot right now, but it makes cracking noises too at times when it really gets cold. And as I was peeing on the lake, I had one crack that went between my feet, and I thought I was gonna fall through or something. But it's just the sound it makes. It just stays strong. That's the lake singing to us, letting us know that winter is affecting it. The whole lake is frozen, and now it's just getting more and more frozen, and it makes its noise as it's doing it. I can hear it. I can't walk onto the lake because it's not frozen enough. Otherwise I'd be right on it and the noise would pick up. I can feel it on my feet. Well, we'll see if this goes through. Yeah, this is the lake letting out its noise.